Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is something I made. This is the Skywind Scanner 500. I just did that to be fun, but anyway, my real scanner broke down, so it no longer works, and I don't want to buy a new one. So basically, I just grabbed the box and just kind of cut it into shape and then put tape, double-sided tape. So I kind of made it to this shape, and I have a square hole in the center right here. And the idea is that I'm going to put a document here, and I'm going to put a phone here, and I'm going to take pictures of that phone, and that's how I'm going to get my scans. This is basically how my Skywind Scanner 500 works. So if you want to make something like this, all you need to do is get a box, any kind of box, and then just cut it any way you want, but just make sure you leave a distance. A distance of about 1 foot from the camera to the bottom. And you make a big enough hole where you can put the camera lens through there. And that's it. Oh, you will also need you're going to need a glass panel. I don't know if you could see that on YouTube, but this is a glass panel. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put your document under here like that. And if you want, it's not required, but if you want, you can put the glass panel on top of it so it's perfectly flat. And then you're going to grab your phone like this, and you're going to go to the camera app like that. And you're going to put your phone over here like that. And try to illuminate the bottom. Sorry about that cord. Like that. So once you align everything, you can zoom in if you want. And then take a picture. Once you take a picture, you go to the file, which is this one, and you go to edit, and then you look for crop, and here's where you're going to crop it, like that, and like that, like that, and finally the bottom, and then you press save copy. And there you have it. Here's your scanned document. And I'm going to put it on the screen right now. So as you can see, it looks very nice. And I could have done a better job if I used some of the my lamps that I have here. So let's look at this document. As you can see, these are the instructions on how to use the Skywind Scanner 500. And it'll tell you everything. And at the bottom, it'll tell you how to subscribe to the best YouTube channel in the world. So if you look at the bottom, you're going to see that. Okay, so let's do another test. So on this occasion, on the previous occasion, we did not use a flash, but now we are going to use a flash. So if you're going to use a flash, you're going to have to get rid of the glass panel, because this will generate like a reflection. So you don't want that. So you do everything else the same, like that. But on your camera, you have to go and you have to activate the flash, and make sure it's always turned on. And this time you're going to have to make sure that the flash and the lens are both going through that hole. So let's do that. Just one more time, you're going to see the flash going. There we go. So now let's see how that came out. Ooh, it's upside down. So let's if it comes upside down, you're going to have to rotate it like this. I know there's a way to rotate. Adjust filters. There we go. So you can just rotate it. So it's already fairly cropped up. I don't think you need to do any more cropping. So you click Save Copy. And there you have it. So I'm going to show it on the screen. And there we are again. So it does look nice. So I did misalign it a little bit, but overall it comes out fairly good. Okay, so this was just a fun video. I'm just having fun today with my new cardboard scanner that I made. And if you need to do that, well, you can just, like I said, just grab an old box and cut it up to your liking and align it so that your phone and the document show up that way. So anyway, thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.